get done with you. Because I'm going to tell you, ladies don't believe in abortion. Get your ass pregnant. You're going to bust your wide open. Bust your wide open. Because I'm going to tell you, ladies don't believe in abortion. Get your ass pregnant.
When I get done with you.
Because I done told your ass. Stop playing with me.
Don't close it. Don't close it. Caught your girl behind. So this is what you've been doing all this time on this.
Jessica said, Auntie, you shouldn't have no boy in her house.
Who you got? No, you don't ran out. Who you got? Get out, bro. You got a boy in my goddamn house. Hey, you going to jail, man. You going to jail.
Hey, mama.
I'm coming. So you done went to school and you got this makeup on.
I told you she went to school with that makeup.
You got this makeup on. They already told me. So you got makeup on thinking you grown. You ain't grown.
Hey, you say she was over here by your mama's house?
I'm finna sneak up on her ass.
Yeah, I seen her.
And I tried to talk to her, and
You ain't gonna be able to talk to her. She too grown. She too grown. She smelling ass. She done start getting diggling, honey. At this young age, you can't tell her nothing.